Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while and I don't really post much on here, but I decided that I am going to start posting more. I want to try and post every week. I just need to think of some fun ideas. But this video, I'm going to do like a week in my life kind of video. It's currently Monday. I have like 5 orders to pack. I packed some last night. I have like 6 what I packed last night, what are going to be posted today. So yeah, I just thought, why not post more on YouTube? I know I don't have many subscribers and stuff, but it's just really fun, and like I do like content all the time on Instagram and funny videos and stuff like that, but I don't know, I just wanted to like let you guys see a bit of me as well, and like what I actually do get up to in the week. It's not always like funny lash videos and stuff, but yeah, it's gonna be really fun, so stay tuned if you want to see what I get up to this week. So when I pack my orders, I have my computer with me so I can see what people ordered. And by the way, this is like my stock room at home. I do have a stock room in my office, but that's like for the Lash Cloud stuff. So if you didn't know, I own a second brand called Lash Clouds. I want to like tell you guys so much, but I've got so much going on like in the works at the minute. But basically, I'm having all my website redesigned and I'm going to start selling Lash Clouds products on there as well. But when all that's like together, I'll tell you more about it. But let's pack some orders and then go to the post office. So I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but if you do, then you will have seen my new pens. So I got these pens just to put in people's orders for free. So like when someone orders, I'll just put like one of the pens, or like I'll just pick one at random. I'll just say it with a nice like cute extra. But when I ordered the pens, obviously my brand name is Nathanlashes. I placed the order and she sent me the design and it said Lashes Nathan. So I was like, oh no, it's Nathanlashes, can you flip it so it says Nathanlashes? And she was like, yeah. So she flipped it and then I approved it. And then I got the pens like a week ago and they all say Lashes Nathan on them. And at first I was just like, I think if it was on like a lash tray or like a tweezer or something, then I would be like, oh no, this is so bad. But because it's only a pen, I'm just like, I don't know, I just think it's kind of funny. So we've been like making jokes about Lashes Nathan all week. So they're actually still really cute. But she is actually, for anyone who's wondering what happened, she said that she will remake the full order for me with my correct name on them. I didn't even ask for that. Like, I'm really not a Karen, guys. I'm very, very chilled out, and I was just like, I'm just letting you know, like it says my name wrong and stuff, and she was really good about it. So yeah, I'll show you a quick close-up of the pens. So these are my new Lashes Nathan pens. Like, I don't know, I just kind of love them still. Like, the colour's so nice. I think in the future I might get like packaging on them. That'd be really cute. But yeah, Lashes Nathan is like my alter ego, and I just know she's gonna come up and try and take over Nathanlashes. But to be honest, I just think like I always feel like if there's a problem, like it's different if you spend a lot of money on it. Like these pens didn't really cost that much, and I'm not selling them. Like I said, they're just like freebies and stuff. But if you spent a lot of money on something, so like lashes, if it were on them, then I would have like complained about it more. But it's just a pen, guys. And like some people message me like, oh my god, this is so bad, like you should get a refund and whatever. And I just thought, just someone has made a mistake. Like, it's not that big of a deal. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. It's a pen. But yeah, I am very chilled anyway. I just think if you were to worry about every single thing what can go wrong and what does go wrong, then life would just be so depressing. So I just always have to try and have a positive outlook on everything. And I don't know, I always say as well, like if something bad happens, then you learn a lot from it. So like say if I had a really bad experience with lashes or like buying something or whatever, if I were to write another ebook or start an online course or something, I can always mention that and like how I handled that, what I learned from that. So there's like silver lining in everything, but yeah, the Lashes Nathan pens are here to stay. I have quite a lot, but these are all my Lashes Nathan pens. Also, I always write on my thank you cards, so I'll write, so this is for Bethany. So I'll write to Bethany and then XO Nathan, like this. And I just always put it in the orders, that's like a nice little extra. But I thought maybe you guys could ask me some questions and I can answer them in my next video. Or actually, I will put it on my Instagram today and then it'll be in the same video. But you guys can leave comments as well in the comment section if you want to ask me some questions whilst I'm doing stuff like this, and I will answer. So these are my orders from last night and a few from this morning as well. But yeah, I'm going to post these to the post office now and then come back. So it is now 9:30 p.m. So today, after I went to the post office, I spent my day doing a lot of admin stuff, like Instagram and Shopify. But it's actually really fun. I know it didn't sound fun, but it is, and I enjoy doing it. So now I've got a few more orders to pack, and then I'm done for the day. Now it is Tuesday. Today I did a lot of admin work, and I already packed my orders, posted them earlier today, and today I got all my pictures from my photographer. I've been waiting to sell like my lash fans and my tweezers. I've just been waiting for the pictures, but now I have the pictures, so yeah, I'm really excited and I'm going to show you guys now. These are from my photographer. So I had all my tweezers, so this is like a bundle picture. I had quite a few of these done, and then I got my lash fans done. So I also got some plain tweezer pictures as well. I'll show you guys in a sec, but how nice are these pictures? I literally am obsessed with them. This is on my website, so if you go to tweezers, I rearranged all this as well because it was all over the place. So we've got the bundles. I added that one on today, and then these are like my individual shots. I always like to have like a plain background because it's just all matching then. But yeah, so I've got all the blue ones and then the gold ones are on the next page. But yeah, I'm happy with how it looks. It's really organised. These were my tweezers before, so I had these for quite a while. Then I upgraded and now we have this packaging. I just love it. I think it's like a lot more luxury, and this is like the favourite thing for me about my job. Developing products, bringing out new products, and yeah, like, how much better do these look? Like, I'm just so much more happy with them. So now all of my tweezers will come in that nice packaging. So no more of these, but I always like to keep maybe one of every item just for like what's that word, like, I don't know, time keep or something, I don't know. So anyway, all the tweezers are now new packaging, and you can buy like the tweezers individually, but if you buy them in a bundle then you will save £10. So yeah, these are my new and improved lash fans. So I use these when I've finished the treatment and I will just use it on the eyes to cure the glue. But I love the design, like we went for something different on each side, and these are like so powerful as well. So tonight we are actually going to go shopping. I'm going to film like a little bit of it, but basically last week I started taking donations for people who have fled Ukraine, and I pledged to donate 10% of my income for that week. So basically we're going to be buying like lots of toiletry, essentials and necessities for people who have fled Ukraine with obviously everything what's going on. So yeah, we're going to go buy that stuff tonight. I think we have like £800, which is like really, really good. So we're going to buy the stuff tonight and then we are dropping it off at a school. So we already spoke to the head teacher because they're doing like a collection point, and they are in touch with somebody who is actually going to go to the border. So they're going to deliver all of the items. But yeah, I will show you guys a little bit of us shopping later tonight. Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. Right now, I'm going to pack some orders from this morning and last night and then go to the post office as usual. So all the shopping what we did last night, I've got to drop it off at a primary school. We're going to go and do that at like 11. Then when I've finished, I need to go to my office. I've got a client in at 12:30 and then I'm doing my sister's lashes. So I'm going to film some content as well. So it's quite a busy day for me. So when we did the shopping last night, we had £750 to spend. In the first shop, we spent 300. The second one, we spent 250. So I've got like £200 left, but we literally cannot buy any more stuff. So I'm gonna donate the money online just because we literally couldn't buy any more stuff and the school's drop-off thing is tomorrow, so we can't buy any more stuff, but I'm sure like we'll find somewhere to donate the money online, and obviously I will record like me doing it. But yeah, I'm like really happy because we bought so much stuff. Like my friend's car was just overflowing, so yeah, it's going to help so many people. Future Nathan here. So I forgot to close that day off. So later that day I went to my office, did a client at 12:30, and then I did my sister's lashes, who you are seeing now. So she said she wanted fox eye, but I don't think she knew what fox eye was. So I did my version of fox eye, which was more spikes towards the inner corner, and then once I got to the middle, I started adding more fans, and then at the outer ends, it's mainly just fans. But my fan's quite light for this set. I didn't want anything too dramatic. And then I just gave them a dry with my lash fans. And yeah, this is like the finished result. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and she really likes them as well. Hey guys, happy Thursday. We didn't have the chance to drop all these items off yesterday, but we're going to drop them off right now. So we are on our way up to the school and we're going to get rid of all these items. I promise guys I'm going to get better at closing my videos off properly, but that day after dropping this stuff off, I went back to work and did this info on my client Rachel, and then I made some content. So my other client Katie actually gave me this idea because I always use the black feathers. She was like, why don't you just do rainbow ones? And I'm like, what a fabulous idea. So I made these eyelashes. So yesterday we dropped all the stuff off what we bought for people who fled Ukraine. So we took it to a primary school. So we got rid of all the stuff, which I'm quite glad to do because it was taking up a lot of space. It was like so much stuff. But yeah, that's like done now, so I'm really happy. But in total we spent like £550 and I've got 200 left. I messaged this girl because my friend shared her story and she's fled the country and they need money, so I'm gonna donate like 100 to her and then 100 to another family what need it. Just waiting on the details just so I can like do it properly. Yeah, so that's where the other money's gonna go. I'll insert a picture of us dropping the stuff off here or anywhere. But yeah, that felt really good to do because I know it's gonna help so many people. So yeah, I'm sorry for not being consistent, but today I'm gonna pack some orders now. Got some orders to do, and then go to the post office, and then I'm gonna go to work. So I'm gonna do the girls at work. I'm gonna do their infills, and then I've got my client at 3:30. But I might try and film a video in between then. When I get to work, I will actually show you what I'm gonna do today and do like lashes and stuff. So I'll just show you me doing lashes and like, I don't know. I should have done the questions thing what I went about the other day, but I forgot. But in the future, if you want to know how I do something or want to ask me something lash related or non-lash related, then leave it below in the comments and then I can insert them just through the videos because I plan on doing quite a few of these weekly chill kind of videos, even though it's not chill at all. So yeah, I'm going to pack some orders now. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you will definitely know who Lisa is. So Lisa is my cousin who works next door to my office at my sister's training academy. So yeah, Lisa gets free lashes by me, of course. And she is famously known on my Instagram for having dirty eyelashes. But to be fair, this time they weren't actually that dirty because she's not been out. When she goes out, she has her makeup done and then the lashes are just filthy. But yeah, they weren't that bad. I just removed the outgrown ones, primed them, and freshened them up a little bit. So then I filled in with 0.03, and I think I did like 10, 11, 12. Just quite short, but yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out, and she loves them. Are you a diva?
Always.
Was more of a diva, I mean you?
Yep.
No, you.
Yep.
No, you. No. Good morning, everyone. So, it is Saturday. I'm in a rush right now, so I'm going to pack orders and talk. So, let me just show you my new cleansing brushes first. These are my new cleansing brushes. My little Nathanlashes ones. And they don't say Lashes Nathan. This week, we're actually a really, really busy week. I do have weeks like this where, like, so I wasn't busy at work, like, in my office doing lashes and stuff. I only did that a few times this week. But actually, being at home, like, doing a lot of admin kind of stuff, I've done a lot this week. So I've sort of, like, forgotten where to end, like, my vlogs off and stuff, and, like, how to... I just, like, forgot how to do it, and just been sort of, like, one day then the other day. So I'll give you like a quick rundown of this week. Pull the stuff off for the people who fled Ukraine. And to be honest, that felt really nice to do that. Like, I was really happy that we did it. But yeah, I'm really happy that we did it. And then pretty much just filmed a lot of content like at work, and obviously I've been like doing this weekly video kind of thing and packing orders. Like, it really doesn't look that fun, but it is. Like, I really, really enjoy it. Anyway, today I'm actually just finishing packing up these, and then I'm going bowling. We actually go bowling all the time. So like, I was telling my client yesterday, and she was like, you go bowling all the time? And I'm like, I know we do, don't we? I'm going with my little sister and my dad, so that'll be really fun. But yeah, and then I'm just like chilling out all weekend, and to be honest, because it's been like such a busy week, I'm like really looking forward to not doing anything. Sometimes when people order like a fan, so like these, I have to put them in separate with that because they can't fit in the envelopes. It looks alright. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what I got up to, and I know it's not like such as a fun video, but I just thought, do you know what? I was looking for this yesterday. These are my two labels from yesterday. And I was looking everywhere in this room and they were not on that floor. And this happens all the time. I'll bring my labels in, I'll print them off, and then they just go missing. So I don't know if someone's like messing around with me or something. But these labels go missing all the time, and it really, really annoys me. But yeah, I just found them, and I actually thought I'd put them in someone's order, and I thought, oh God, someone's going to open the parcel up, and I've put two other people's addresses in. I'm going to like have like a set place to put my labels. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. I know it's just like chilled out and stuff, but I'm not really like that much of an exciting person. Like, I'm really not, and I don't know, my life is quite mundane, but I really enjoy just like every day, pretty much do the same things. And oh, I forgot to get that girl a pen. I get so sidetracked, guys. I really shouldn't pack my orders when I'm filming because I just lose like my train of thought. Right, I'm gonna finish. So yeah, if you guys have any recommendations to what you want me to film in the future, I think my next video, I'm going to try and make it a little bit more lash related. Like, I'll give more lash tips and tricks, or like, I don't know, just try and be a bit more helpful instead of just like coming on and rambling for like however long this video is. But yeah, leave some not recommendations, leave some suggestions down below, and I will definitely look at them and probably film some of them. But yeah, I'm going to be consistent, and if you want to try out my products, then I will leave a code just for you guys, for you to save 20% off my products. So I will leave that down below, as well as all my Instagram and all that fun stuff. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.